Greetings from Vissco. Let us now see orthopedic backrest, small, product code 0107. The orthopedic backrest supports the spine and corrects posture. It is used to prevent back pain, correct posture, and support the lower back. Let's see how to use the product. Place the orthopedic backrest on your chair, sofa, or car seat. Fix the small cushion on the backrest for better sitting posture and comfort. Now sit down on your chair and rest your back over the support. Make sure there is no gap between your back and the support. Congratulations! Your Vissco orthopedic backrest is now ready for use.